Hello everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to make it so when you stream things on Discord on Google Chrome or Firefox or whatever it is, it doesn't matter on the browser, but sometimes when you stream on Discord a video from one of these browsers you get a black screen. There's a simple way to fix this, and the easiest way is to actually go up onto your settings here, click on settings, just click on system and make sure use graphics acceleration when available is disabled. I will quickly show you how to do this on Opera as well, as I'm pretty sure that's the other one that people use. Super easy. Again, go to settings here. Once you're here, if you just type in just the letters AC, and you'll see the system. Use graphics acceleration when available, just click that off. Once that's off, it will ask you to relaunch. You do that, and then when you stream anything on Discord, it should work perfectly fine. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe.